So today we're going to talk about discounts. Before you begin this video lesson, make sure that you have open or have printed a copy of the document with the formulas on it for discounts and markups that's also posted on Canvas. We're going to be looking at the top of that document, strictly discounts. We'll talk about markups tomorrow. So first, let's talk about what a discount actually is. A discount is a decrease in the original price of an item. So when you are buying something that's 20% off, or you get 2 for 1, something like that. Whenever you're paying less than what the original posted price is of something, you're getting it at a discount. So looking at those three formulas, we're going to look at the top one that says original price. So when you're looking at that document, the part that says original price or sale price or percent of discount, that's if you're asked that, you use the formula underneath it. So for example, if you were asked to find an original price of an item that you bought on sale, you would use the formula that you see at the top of the screen here. So an example of that would be you bought a game for $10, which was 25% off. What was the original price of that game? So to find that, you would just subtract the discount that you got from 100. So in this case, it'd be 75 over 100 on the right side of our formula here. And then on the left side, you would put your sale price in, which we got it for $10, and then your variable X would represent the original price. And we would just use cross multiplying to solve for X. We'll look at this with some examples later. Looking at the second formula on that sheet, that's for when you are asked to find the sale price. So if you're asked sale price, you use this formula. So there's actually a couple parts to this one. So this would be an example of you want to buy a game that normally costs $20. It's on sale for 25% off. What is that sale price going to be? So what are you actually going to have to pay if you're getting the game 25% off? So we would put that discount amount here, so 25 over 100 on the right side. And then over here, our variable X represents what that sale price is going to be, and that's what we want to find out. And then our original price, which was 20, we'd plug in here. Once we find that amount, that actually gives us how much money we don't have to pay. And so we have to subtract that from the original cost of the item to figure out what we're going to end up paying after the 25% off discount. The last one on here is if you were asked to find what the percent of discount is, and we would use the setup here. And this would be an example of when you would use this formula. You bought a game that was $15 that normally costs $20. So you got it on discount. You just want to find out what the percent of discount was. If you only paid 15 but it cost 20, how much did you not pay? What percent did you not pay? So let's look at some examples. So below is an item you found at a clothing store. It's on sale. We're going to figure out first what formula, what equation we need to use, and then plug in all the information that we know to find out, in this case, what the sale price is. So we know the discount percent, we know how much we're paying for it, and we want to know what the sale price is. So look at your formula sheet, see if you can figure out which of the three is going to tell us the sale price. Hopefully you chose this one. It says sale price right next to it. Now let's plug in all the things that we know. So we know the percent of discount is 10, so we plugged in 10. We know the original price is original price is $80, so we put that in there. We want to know how much we are going to be paying for it. So we just need to do some cross multiplying. In this case, you're going to get 800 equals 100x. Solving for x, we get 8. So 8 represents how much we don't have to pay. So of that $80, we're not going to pay $8 of it. So we're only going to be paying $72. So our final answer for what the sale price would be for an $80 jacket that's 10% off will be $72. Let's look at another. So for this one, we have a pair of pants that cost $50. We bought them for $32.50. What was the percent of discount that we got it at? Definitely got a discount if we only paid $72.50. So look at your formula sheet to figure out which of the three formulas you're going to use. In this case, hopefully you found that formula. So we're just going to plug in the information that we know. So the original price, $50, the sale price right here, $32.50. We're going to find the difference between the two of those and set that over the original price, which is $50. Then using cross multiplication, changing our decimal to a percent, we get 35%. One more example before I have you do some on your own. So we have a skirt. We don't know what the original price is, but we know that it is on the discount rack, 30% off, and all we paid was $21. So what was the original price of the skirt? Again, looking at that formula sheet, which equation should you be setting up? Hopefully you found this one. So we want to know the original price. We're just going to plug in all the things that we know. So 100% minus the 30% discount. So that would go 70 over 100. Then our sale price is 21 and X represents the original price. Using cross multiplication, we're just going to figure out what X is and we get $30. So the skirt cost $30. It was 30% off. We only paid 21. So when you're looking at problems like this, just make sure when you get to your final answer that you check for reasonableness. Does it make sense? If you got something that was 30% off, but your original price that you calculated is less than your sale price, then you know you did something wrong, maybe used the wrong formula or did your calculations incorrect. So make sure you're checking for that. So now is where I want you to have your calculator and your pencil and that formula sheet out so you can do a couple examples on your own. So here's the first one. We want to find the sale price. If the sunglasses originally cost $19.50 and we have, there's a 20% discount, figure out which of the three formulas you need, set them up, and solve to find the sale price. Original price $19.50, discount 20%. Pause the video, work it out, and then we'll go over the answer. Okay, so you should have done the problem on your own, so check your work. This is the equation that we should be setting up. Plugging in what you know, you should have gotten that you were not going to be paying $3.90, so we subtract that from our original price. So our sale price will be $15.60. All right, let's try another one. Last weekend, you purchased a phone case for $12.75 after getting a 15% off discount from the original price. What was the original price? So we know the discount, we know the sale price, we need to find the original price. Put the video on pause, work the problem out, and then let's check back with the answer when you're done. All right, so you should have worked the problem out. This is the formula we're using to find the original price. And when you do your calculations, you would have found that the original price of that phone case was $15. All right, last problem, I promise. I am interested in a new gaming computer that costs $3,250. The salesman says he'll give it to me for $2,795. What is the percent of discount he is giving me? So we know the sale price, we know the original price, we need the percent of discount. Put the video on pause and check back when you're done. So there's the formula that we're going to be using for this one. Plugging in what you know, you would have gotten a decimal in your calculator, 0.14, blah, blah, blah. Make sure you are changing that to a percent. So we should have 14% discount. All right, thanks for tuning in.